You shouldn't be late for work. You shouldn't skip breakfast. You shouldn't talk loudly in public. You shouldn't forget your keys. You shouldn't drive too fast. You shouldn't stay up too late. You shouldn't eat too much junk food. You shouldn't ignore your